everyone, this video will talk about how to read the assignment rubrics. Each major course assignment has a corresponding rubric. The rubric describes the criteria on which your work will be evaluated. I work hard to make my rubrics detailed and fair, so please refer to them often as you complete your assignment. The rubrics are always on the last pages of the assignment instructions. To locate the assignment instructions, go to Content, Course Assignments, and then the assignment you are looking at. In this case, we're going to look at the critical analysis of assessment tools. Click on the instructions. The rubrics always begin in the section called How Will the Evidence of My Teaching Practice Be Assessed? In this section, you'll find out how many points the assignment is worth, what percentage of your grade this assignment makes up, and how the points are allocated. In this assignment, it is worth 150 points and is calculated as 25% of your final grade. The points are allocated in 4 levels. The 4 levels of performance are level 0, level 1, level 2, and level 3. You want to aim for a level 2 or 3 in your work. Read the descriptors carefully. A 2 does not mean that you didn't do a good job. It means that you didn't blow the assignment out of the water. A 3 is a solid foundation. Keep in mind that a foundation is a beginning. Earning a 3 does not mean you're done learning. A score of 3 means you earned 100% of total points possible for that section of the rubric. The percentage of points goes down as your score decreases. On the next page, you will find a detailed rubric that describes exactly what I'm looking for in the assignment. The first column on the left-hand side lists the criteria. In this case, I'm evaluating on your discussion questions, the assessment samples you bring to class, the in-class presentations, and your CAT reflection. Please notice that each criteria may be worth a different number of points. This is a weighting system. I'm telling you which part of the assignments are more important than the other ones. The columns are organized from left to right, with 3 being on the left-hand side and 0 on the right. Reading a rubric can be tricky, so here are some hints. Start by looking at the column for level 2. This column describes my minimum expectations for the assignment. In this case, you can see that for the questions criterion, a level 2 has questions mostly from the top 3 tiers of Bloom's taxonomy, but 1 or more is from a lower level. The questions require recall, but not reflection. Now look at what it takes to get a 3 in the same section. To earn a 3, you would have all of your questions from the top 3 tiers of Bloom's taxonomy and include opportunities for students to reflect on the assigned reading. Rubrics are a great way for you to get more information on what is expected of you on an assignment. It is important that you take the time to read them to find out exactly how you will be scored. The rubrics are also loaded into the gradebook and course den, so when I grade your work, you will receive feedback on each separate piece of the rubric. In this case, you will get feedback on your questions, assessment samples, in-class presentation, and reflection. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you need help or have questions that need clarifying. The best way to get help is to post in the Teachers Lounge discussion board. That's under the Communication tab under Discussions. Think of this as a place for frequently asked questions. If you're wondering about something on the assignment instructions or rubric, chances are someone else has that exact same question. Posting it on this discussion board will make the information public for everyone to use. Remember, my goal is for you to be successful and to learn about teaching. If there's anything that you need clarification on, let me know.